In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find locked chats on WhatsApp. If you've set up locked chats to keep certain conversations private, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to reveal and open that hidden folder and how to unlock a specific chat when you're ready to move it back to your main inbox. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're on the main chats tab so you can see your regular conversations. At the top, tap the search bar. This is where the magic happens. In the search field, type the secret code you created when you first set up locked chats. This isn't your WhatsApp verification code. It's the unique word, phrase, or combination you chose specifically for unlocking hidden chats. Type it exactly as you said it. Capitalization and spacing can matter depending on what you picked. As you start typing, you should see a special result called locked chats appear beneath the search bar. Tap that. WhatsApp will now ask you to verify it's really you. Go ahead and confirm with your fingerprint, Face ID, or your device passcode, whatever you normally use for secure actions on your phone. Once verified, you'll enter your locked chats folder. This is a private space that keeps those conversations off your main list and out of notifications. Take a moment to look around so you recognize it next time you return here. If you want to unlock a specific conversation from this folder, press and hold on the chat you want to move back to your main inbox. That long press selects the chat. On Android, look to the top right and tap the three dots to open the menu, then choose Unlock Chat. On iPhone, tap the contact or group's header at the top to open the chat info screen and select Unlock Chat there. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and approve. After you unlock it, that conversation will leave the locked chats folder and reappear in your regular chats tab. It won't require your secret code to open anymore, and its notifications will show up like your other chats. If you change your mind later, you can always return and lock it again from the chat's info. A quick recap: open WhatsApp, use the search bar on the Chats tab, type your secret code, tap Locked Chats when it appears, verify your identity, and you're in. From there, long press a chat and use the menu to unlock it. If you don't see the Locked Chats result, double check your secret code and make sure your app is up to date. Keep your code private and you'll keep your conversations private too.